Hello, everybody. I have a food review. So today I have the Cafe Valley Crush Orange Cake, naturally and artificially flavored orange crush cake, moist and delicious. Yum, 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 yum. So I ordered this from Amazon when I got my food delivered from Amazon. And so I am going to open it and I'm going to try it. So y'all know how the orange crush so good. So I'm going to cut a piece. And that's what it's looking like. Because people say that I don't show the food. Sometimes I don't show it all the way because I don't want it to fall. But that's what it looks like. Don't that look good, y'all? That looks good. So that's it. So let me start eating it. See, it has orange in the middle. This is so delicious. It tastes like pound cake to me, with a little orange in the middle and icing. Just the way it looks. It's so moist, so fresh tasting. My favorite cakes are pound cakes. They have a drizzle of icing, so it's not too much. It's just right, y'all. It's sweet without being too sweet. Mm, mm, mm. I don't know if Walmart carries this cake, but if they do, you better pick it up. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna get some more of this, especially when my grandchildren come over. I will be treating them to this. Now, I know this probably sounds silly. I wonder is a little of that soda in here or just the flavor of it. It's probably just the flavor of it. This cake is so good, y'all. You could eat it by itself. You can have some ice cream or some milk, or by itself, like I'm eating it by itself. I think I paid $8. I think I paid $8 for this cake. $7 to $8, something up around that price. So I really enjoyed that. Again, it's the Cafe Valley Bakery. I didn't say the bakery part before. Cafe Valley Bakery. Crushed orange, naturally and artificially flavored orange crush cake. Make sure you check your store. Check Walmart and see if they sell this cake. Okay, but you definitely can get it from Amazon. So that's my review, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. There will be more reviews, product reviews, food reviews, and stuff like that. And I'll be coming back soon. Bye. Have a great day.